Hi, I'm Tara Farkas. I'm one of the readers here at Mystic Elements in Wilmington, North Carolina. And recently I've had a lot of questions about what to do if you're not sleeping well, because we're in May and it's warmer out, we have more sunshine, and I think sometimes we get a little more energized, which makes it harder to calm down at night. So what I would love to do is just make a few suggestions of crystals that you can use to make you sleep better. So what I have is, I really like blue calcite. It is very calming, very peaceful, and it also promotes having peaceful, calm dreams. So a lot of times when I'm using crystals to sleep better, I'll just put them on my nightstand next to my bed, where my head would be. Another one that's really awesome is Celestite. It's very calming, very peaceful. It's also another blue stone. If you mix it with amethyst, amethyst is very healing. Together, any of these combinations can make you potentially help you sleep a little more calmly. Now, if you have old trauma on your mind, red calcite and the blue calcite together are wonderful. You can also use the ruby kyanite, which is calming and protective at the same time. It can kind of calm some of those fears. So if you're having trouble with nightmares, black tourmaline is wonderful for dispelling nightmares and actually making you feel a little more protected. If you're feeling like everything is spinning a little bit, fluorite is a wonderful stone for calming chaos. It's amazing. And putting any of these stones together might help you sleep really well. The amethyst with the black tourmaline can just be a really good overall dispelling nightmares, healing, calming. It can be a really great combination. But another thing I wanted to bring up is you can use, so in the store I do a lot of smudging, and it really does help shift the energy that if you're feeling something. So the two that I recommend if you're trying to calm down or get peaceful is lavender and chamomile. And these smell almost exactly the way the flower smells when you burn them. It's very, very lovely, very, very calming. If you're interested in these and not sure how to go about it, I would encourage you to stop by Mystic Elements. Any day that I'm here, I'll be glad to put a little bit on a charcoal and let you see what it feels like, what it smells like. You can kind of test it out before you want to make that purchase and take it home with you. But these are amazing herbs for peace and calming. And another one that we have is lithium quartz. And another one is lepidolite. So if you have anxiety keeping you awake at night, these are the two that I would recommend that might help you sleep a little better. And you can really make a nice little dish next to your bed. I line them up on my nightstand, however you feel like you're going to work best with them. But I hope this helps and gives you peaceful dreams.